Hi, good evening. Today we are going to talk about Python data structure. Python data structures are sequence. Each element of sequence is assigned a number, its position or index. We called it as a position or index. The first index is 0, followed by 1, followed by 2, and so on. Python has 6 built-in type of sequences, but the most common are list, tuples, and dictionary. What is list? The list is most versatile data type available in Python, which can be written as a list of CSV. CSV is nothing but comma separated value between a square bracket. That is very important. Think about the list. See, for example, how we are going to implement this list. Let's have a look. So I would like to give the namespace as L1. So the square bracket, which denotes it's a list. If I call a method type of L1, it will inform that it's a list. It will inform that it's a list. Suppose if L1 is going to take the value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So if you execute L1, it will display what are all the contents of the list. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, which allow duplicate members also. Say for example, if I call a method of list append, A-P-P-E-N-D, append of, it's a method, it's a built-in method of the list. Suppose if we have an element as 2 which was already available in the L1, now I append the value 2 to the existing list L1. So 2 will be appeared over here. It shows that the list allow duplicate members. List allow duplicate members. Suppose if you want to clear, you can use a method called copyof. Clear off. So which automatically clears the list. Now L1 does not consist anything. Once again, I insert the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, again, I'm checking what is the value of list L1. Suppose if you want to take a copy of L1, the elements of the L1 to be reside in some other name. Say, for example, I would like to take L2. So you can use a method called copyof. Copyof, which makes the list L1, elements of list L1 to be available in L2. L2 which have the same list. So we have some other different types of functions such as count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort. So these are all the built-in methods which was available in associated with the data structure list. Suppose if you want to count how many numbers are available, how many elements are available, you can use a countof method. Say for example, I would like to count the instance of value 2. So basically L2 is the namespace which consists of the value 2 only once. So it will return the output as 0. What happens? L2 dot count of 1. Yeah, basically it automatically considered is there is any string representation over there is no such a representation, so it will give the output as 0. Right now I am checking with the value of 1, it's a literal, so there is only one count is available. Suppose if I am going to append another value which is 1, now L2 consists of 2 ones. So if I check L2 dot count of 1, So it will give 2 as the result. So index is another method. I would like to work with the index of will give what is the index value of the particular element. See, for example, if I gave the input parameter as 3 to the index of method, it will return it's in the position of 2. So I already told that 1 is at the position 0 followed by 1 and followed by 2. So this is the index. So again, insert of is a method L2 dot insert. If you want to insert, it will ask you to give the index at which index you want to insert the value. See, for example, I would like to insert the value called 555 with the index value as 0. So 555. So now it will be available in the first position because 0 is the first position. If I call L2 once again, you just note here 555 is the value which is available at 0th position. So this is very important. So in addition, you can pass two different types of parameter here. Insert will takes two parameter. First parameter takes index, the second parameter takes the value. One more example, L2 dot insert of at the position number 3 I would like to add 999. So now you just see L2, if you press L2, so the 999 will be at the position 0 3, position number 3. 555 will be in the position of 0 followed by 1 and second, and this is the position. The index value of 999 is 3. Okay, so this is the method which allow you to insert the value at the specific index. Pop, it's another method, pop, which makes you to remove the particular value. See, for example, as you know very well, at third position we have 999. Okay, if you want to pop the 999, you have to specify the index. So now I gave the index as 3, so 999 will be popped from the list L2. Suppose if you want to pop the value called 555, L2 dot pop of 0 is the index. So now 555 is popped and left the existing items as it is. So this is the importance of pop method. So we have another method called remove of, L2 dot remove. Remove is a method which needs a value to be removed. As you know that we have a duplicate called 1 which is available in the list L2. I would like to remove the 1. So now the L2 has totally, the 1 will be automatically removed from the position 0. So the rest of the items will be available. Remove the first occurrence of the value. That is very important. So remove of is a method which remove the first occurrence of the value. So we have another method called reverse of, which is used to reverse the value of the element. L2 dot reverse of. So it automatically reverse the value of the L2 and how the list perform its operations. Thank you. In the next class, we will see about dictionaries and tuples.